All right, good morning, campers. Today, just gonna do an install video of the new Ironman 4x4 8-foot awning that I ordered. Finally came in the mail. Um, so this big guy right here, we're gonna put on the driver's side of the 4Runner. Also, when I got it, I got the enclosed room that comes with it, the sides. So should be able to almost use it as a tent. We'll see once I get it attached and get it fully opened up how much space we actually have to utilize. Since I have the Victory 4x4 roof rack, I got their awning mounts just to make it easier to attach the awning. It says you only need to use 3 points. I'm actually going to use 4 because these come in pairs of 2 when you get them from Victory 4x4. And I think that just added stability attached to the 4Runner is going to help with travel when it's not out. And then once it is popped out, just a little more stability being attached to the 4Runner in the event of any wind or anything like that. But we'll see how that goes once I actually get it attached and tested. Also, this awning comes with an LED light, so I have one more cable to attach to get that hooked up to my trigger system that I use to control the lights on the 4Runner. So stay tuned and see how the install goes. Welcome to the Kramer Family Adventures, where we travel here, there, and everywhere. All right, so this conveniently fits like right over the crossbars, and then you get 2 bolts on each side, and then you will just adjust from there. I think I'm gonna have to play with how far out I need it just to clear my lights that are over here on the side, which I haven't decided if I'm going to keep or not, since I have the LED strip, but I'll probably still need them for when the awning is not out. But all right, so you're gonna have to remove the bolts from the end that hold the crossbar so that you can slide the bolts that hold the awning support on each side. Try to do this without taking too much stuff off as far as those on my roof rack, which I might have to. We'll see. All right, good. Comes up just far enough for me to slide those in on each side. Hopefully the nuts don't fly that far. All right. And then just a matter of getting all my pieces back together here and screwing it back in. All right, now that I got that nut back, put this piece back on. So should slide these up just slightly. Yeah. That. And then slide these into place. And then just kind of do a temporary tighten so that it stays in place until I can get them all on there and figure out how far in or out I need to put this to ensure. I think that probably will be good where it's at, but until I get them all on, I have a better idea. Okay guys, as you can see, I have installed the 4 brackets onto my roof rack. Now I'm going to take the awning with the bolts in the track of the awning on the top ones and just kind of hook it into place with those top bolts. I do later on add some washers behind those nuts just to increase the surface area. I also do that on the bottom as well, just to help hold it in place better. Alright, so now that I have the awning attached, not obviously very ideal, but I'm doing this in the street in front of my house, so those poles aren't really sticking into anything but the concrete. But I'm going to go ahead and get out the room attachment and see how easy it is to put together onto this awning. Alright, so you can see I got the basic of it set up. I realize now that this little cord line runs through this edge to help any water not get in, which is probably the first step you should do, and then flip it underneath to run it the rest of the way. And then these clips just clip on each pole. And you got zippered doors and everything like that. And then the black floor piece can go in there, that way you have to not step on the dirt or anything like that. And then there's also a cord piece in the back too, which I might have this on backwards. I'm not really sure. Still trying to get it figured out. All right, so I do have it on the right way because this door on the other side opens up completely for the doors to access the truck if you need to. But yeah, definitely can use this as a tent with a floor and all that stuff. It's pretty sturdy, but yeah, that's the basics of getting it set up. But next time I know, put these two pieces in first and line them up as I go in. Make it a lot easier. One on each side, that way helps keep water out and everything like that. Oh, actually, all right, so I just realized, I'm just figuring this out. This is the first time I put it up, but this piece actually unzips, and then you can line it through. It will be the easier way to do this, and then just hook it back up to the zipper that runs along the top. And then it gives you that added support up here. And then you do that in the back as well. But, all right, guys. Hopefully you got a lot out of this video. Learning a few things as far as like the install for this. It was literally just got it out of the box and figuring out how to install it right now. Not too hard. Just takes a little bit of time. But will definitely be able to be used as a tent itself, or just an additional changing room, hangout area on top of the tent if the weather is cold or rainy out. It'd be a great addition to what we already have and what we got going on. Hope you liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I plan to do some more future videos of some installs and things of that nature. So have a good day.